Listen up. Okay, next, donning immersion suit. Okay, so lay the suit on the flat deck or sit down, facing with the same direction. Yan. Insert the both legs in the suit. Yan. And stand up. Stand up, nailing. Load konti, nailing position para mabanat siya. Hindi, lulod ka lang ganun. Yan, para mabanat siya. And pull the suit, no? Insert your dominant arm, yan. And sleeve first. Okay, then pull the hood over your head with your face. Okay, insert your arm. Insert your arm with the final sleeve. Kaya mo na, for demonstration lang naman yan eh.
Yang sa clock ito na ito.
Then after nyan, put the zipper. Zipper dito is sinap down, no? So, assuming natin na... Okay, then put the zipper.
Ako siya balitan yung isi.
And then, secure the face flap. Ito. Face flap din dito, guys. Wala itong flaps, no? So, yung iba meron dito. So, yung meron dito.
May paikot, sir.
Oo. So, meron siyang flaps dito. So, wala siya. Okay, parang ganito. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Tebes, ako. Kasi ako kay Tebes.
Oh, next.
Yes, ikaw na, Bes.
Sabi na magtatago.